In this video tutorial, Apple Blaze is going to show you basically how to pick a video in YouTube and save it to your list, to your watch later list, or to a customized list that you may have created. You can see I've got lists here, all the way down. Some are mine, some are lists that I subscribe to. So I'm just going to show you quickly. Now, I'm going to show you how to save it to your watch later list. So here's one from Mark Wings. There's a watch later icon here. You go there, you click on it, it'll be added to your watch later list. See the tick, or you can remove it. I can show you another way to add it. And then down here, you will see a save option. You go save, and save it to your watch later. That's your private list. And then I've got other lists that I can add to, so we can create a new list. Okay. Basically, what I'm going to do is save it to watch later. Already saved. What you can do to check your watch later list, go back here and go to your watch later list, and you can see I've saved a few, and it's going to be the last latest one. So thank you. You've got some options here that you can click on the three dots, and you can add it to a queue. You can save it again to another playlist that you've got, or you can remove it. Remove it, it's gone. So that's how you add to your watch later list, and you can choose to send it to other playlists. Thanks for watching.